Hey, how's it going, everyone? So today we are unboxing something pretty cool. I'm sure a lot of people will be needing these right now because everyone's stuck indoors and you don't really want to go out. And this one is nicely packaged in a plastic bag here. Here you go. It's called Geedar. A nice simple black packaging with this nice gold logo here. And bam, there it is. This is a nice wireless Pro Hair Clipper F27. Alright. Simple instructions, how to clean the head, different types of lengths for your hair. Okay, it's a nice thick manual. Okay, so take this out here. Comes in this nice kind of a bronze looking material. It's kind of a thin metal, probably aluminum maybe. A little sticker there. Let's see if it has power. It does. Well, kind of low. So as you can see, it has a cool LCD display. And then you can also adjust how far or lower the blade is. And this one, it didn't really have a number on it. But let's see what else we have in here. So the cool thing is this comes with a nice wireless, I guess you'd call it like a docking station. The bottom lights up nice and blue. You just put this in and it'll charge it. Okay, it comes with a little bottle oil. Of course, here's the power cable. So you plug the power cable to the docking station, or you can plug this directly to the charger itself. Because as you can see underneath, there's the prongs for the wireless charging. And then there's the prongs to plug in the charger directly. And it comes with lots of different heads. Oh wow, a lot more than I thought. Okay, so there you go. So this is 4.5 millimeter. So 1.5. 3/8 to 9 millimeter. 1/8 to 3 millimeter. 1/4 to 6 millimeter. I'm sure these numbers make sense to y'all. For me, not too much. 3/4 to a 20 and 1/2 inch to a 12. So it comes with a lot of different sizes, that's for sure. More than what you would need, right? Okay, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I mean, what else do you need, right? So the cool thing, as I mentioned before, is that this is wireless. The LCD is a little bit deeper than I would like it to be. I would want it to be a little closer to the top, because as you can see, it's a little bit hard to see. But I mean, I guess, you know, once you turn it on, there's no other need to look at it, right? It's pretty simple. Take these off just like every normal clipper. You just have to just pop the back off, and of course I'm not doing it correctly, but you just have to. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. So this part stays on, and then you just add this on top of it. Let's try to do it without breaking it. So you just kind of slide it in, just a simple slide, and I'll sit flush. And from here you can still adjust, and you can see how the clipper head moves up depending on how you want to get closer to it. Okay, and of course there's a little screen here. Let me try to get you a better look here. So I could do even a little closer, so when you want to do fades or something, you could really hone in the clipper. Alright? So I'm pretty sure this is like every other clipper where you just have to do one very light drop of oil, which is included, and just drop it in, turn it on, and just let it coat the blades, and that's it. Again, this is the docking station, and you can see here how the prongs are set up, like two little circles, which lines up with these two prongs right here. Just put it in, and it charges. All right. So I'll give this a try, and I'll see how it works. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it below. And I'll see you on the next video. Again, this is from Geedar Pro Wireless Hair Clipper.